The funniest thing happened. Like, so you'll never believe what he said. It was really it was funny. You just had to. What are you doing? You almost hit him. You weren't even looking. What are you doing? I obviously saw him. I'm driving. What am I going to do? Just go straight through the stop sign? I stopped. I saw him. Obviously didn't see him because if I didn't say anything, you would have hit him. I mean, whatever. You know what? Why don't you just drive? If you want to, I'll not drive anywhere with that. I'm fine with that. You can just drive. Fine by me. Apparently I can't drive. Watch where you're going. Like, it's really not that hard. Can we get coffee? You just made that one. What do you mean? You literally just made that one. Why do you want another coffee? Doesn't taste good. I want a better one. All right, fine. Where you want to go?